Hello students, my name is Boris. I am going to introduce you to the present perfect with just and ready and yet, and aside we will see the vocabulary of adventure travel. Vocabulary adventure travel. Insect repellent, toilet, sleeping bag, suitcase, backpack, eat book, sunscreen, and another. Uh, Examples: I am forgot my passport and can't travel. I need to bring insect repellent so they don't beat me into the wear my sunglasses to the beach this week. Um, Already. It, it is already used for affirmative sentences that were made at that time in the always between the actually and the participle. Structure. Subject must has and have must already must verb and participle must complement. Examples: I have already played for my cousins. I have already removed the books from the bookstore. I've already eaten. I am going to brush my teeth. Yet. We use yet when it is an interrogative which pretends that the action as has already been carried out or not, had and been, and when it is negative, it has not yet occurred, and yet always goes on the end of the questions. Structure. Subject must hasn't, haven't, and hasn't. Verb participle, it complement yet. Example: you haven't cooked this afternoon yet. Haven't we played in the year yet this afternoon? Just something that happened recently and always goes between auxiliary and verb participle structure. Subject has and have, verb and participle and complement. Examples: I just cleaned my room and just ran out of time. You should drink water.